All right, first I want to thank everyone for being here and welcome everyone. Thank you guys for traveling and being present with us today. It's no accident that each of you are here today. You guys are all deeply important to the individual and collective lives of Johnny and Lida.
How do I feel right now? I feel amazing right now. This is a dream.
I'm feeling very good today. This is amazing. Everything has been beautiful up till this second. I'm very looking forward to tonight. And Lida, my wife, I love you very much. Looking forward to the rest of our life together. Thank you. Thank your family. I thank my family. I thank all our guests. This is truly beautiful. Thank you. And let's have fun. I'm ready to have fun. Let's do it.
I know how much these two love each other, and I feel honored to be here today along with you all, witnessing their commitment to a lifetime of love, happiness, and understanding. Witnessing their love develop throughout the years made it very clear to me and everyone who was fortunate to witness that these two are perfect pieces to the same puzzle. They complement one another, and while each of them are incredible individuals of their own, they make each other better. I wish I could tell you guys one specific story that depicts their relationship and how perfect they are for each other. But the reality is there isn't any single event that's a good encapsulation of what they mean to me, to each other, and to all of us. What I do know is that they're crazy for each other. They protect one another. They make each other laugh and angry. They think outside of themselves. It appears that time magically seems to both fly and slow down at the same time when they're together. They help each other in ways that are both obvious and subtle, and always appreciated. It is in my personal experience that Johnny and Lida highlight the best of what it means to commit to someone with your heart and soul.
Thank you guys very much for coming. It's been a dream. It passed by like this. I love you all. Thank you all. I'm not fucking leaving.